but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head is twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces, and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The skies are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. We're shattering in the silence, we're rising, defiant, shining in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here on our own. So we are cowards, so we are liars, so we're no home heroes. We're the survivors, the dreamers, the fighters, the lying. I'm tired, but diving the fire, and I'll be right here by your side. We broke